In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private project in monday.com. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up a space that's visible only to the people you choose. This is especially useful for sensitive work, like HR tasks, management planning, or early stage projects you're not ready to share with the whole team. First, make sure you're logged into your monday.com account and you're in the correct workspace where you want this project to live. At the top left of your screen, look for the name of your current workspace. Right beside that workspace name, you'll see an equal sign icon. Go ahead and click on that equal sign. This is where you start creating new items inside your workspace, including new projects or boards. Once you click that, a menu will open with several options for what you can create. From this list, look for the option labeled Project. This might appear alongside things like Board, Doc, or other templates depending on how your account is set up. Click on Project. By choosing this, you're telling monday.com that you want to create a new project space rather than just a simple board. After you click on Project, you'll be given different visibility options. This is where you decide who can see what you're about to create. You should see choices like Main, Shareable, and Private. For this tutorial, we're focusing on keeping the project restricted, so click on Private. Selecting Private means that only you and the specific people you invite will be able to view or edit this project. It will not appear to the rest of your team by default, which is perfect when you need extra confidentiality. Take a moment here to think about who actually needs access. Even though you're creating a private project, you can still collaborate with a small, trusted group by adding them later as members of the project. Once you've selected the private option, you're ready to finalize the setup. Look for the Create button on the screen and click on Create. Monday.com will now generate your new private project based on the choice you just made. After a brief moment, you'll be taken straight into your newly created private space, where you can start adding groups, items, tasks, and automations, just like you would with any other project, but with the peace of mind that it's only visible to the people you choose.